All right, fifth graders, here is your Properties of Matter video. Please make sure that you have your science notebook with you. If you do not have your science notebook with you, you can grab a piece of notebook paper or a piece of copy paper and get these notes written down so that you can get them glued into your notebook when you get back to school. All right, in your notebook, you're going to create the following entry. Today's date is 11/26/12. And your title is Properties of Matter Video Notes. Please know in this video that I'm probably going to be talking a little bit faster than what you can write. That's okay. Don't forget your pause button at the bottom, and you can always go back if you need to. That's the wonderful thing about these videos. Alright, at the top of your paper, I want you to write this sentence. Physical properties are attributes of matter. They can be observed and measured. All right, once you have that sentence written at the top, I want you to go down to the middle of your page and create this circle. And we're going to do a web today for the physical properties of matter. So inside the circle that is in the middle of your page, I want you to write physical properties of matter. And today we're going to talk about a couple of physical properties that we're going to concentrate on in class. Know that there are more physical properties than what we just discussed here in this video, but these are the ones that we're going to start with, and these are the ones that we are going to talk about in class this week and next. Alright, a physical property, remember, can be observed or measured. So one way that you can identify an object is by its shape. So on the outside of your circle, I want you to write shape, and then I want you to draw a line from your circle to your shape word. Alright, another way that you can describe an object is its density. So density is going to be our second physical property of matter. The physical state of an object can also be a physical property. Mass can be a physical property. Size can be a physical property. Taste can be a physical property if Miss Span or I tell you that you can taste an object. Weight can be a physical property of an object. Solubility texture magnetism and the last one we're going to discuss today is luster. Alright, so know that these are just a few physical properties of matter. There are many, many more, but these are the ones that we're going to concentrate on for now. Alright, when you talk about physical properties, solubility is a physical property, and when we talk about solubility, we're going to talk about its ability to dissolve in water. So your note on solubility is dissolves in water or does not dissolve in water. Texture, the descriptor words for texture are silky, smooth, rough, or hard. Your luster words are going to be shiny or dull. Magnetism is one that y'all are familiar with. Is your item magnetic or is it non-magnetic? Alright, size. Small or large. Now, remember when we talk about size, Miss Span and I do not just want you to say small or large. We want you to say as small as and then think of an item, or as large as. For example, a car could be as large as an elephant. Because something that is, the reason why we don't just use small or large is because what's small to somebody else may not be small to another person. So you need to make sure that you have a better descriptor than just small or large. So remember your word as small as or as large as. Alright, mass. We're going to come back to mass. Let's talk about physical state. Physical state is solid, liquid, or gas. Density sinks or floats in water. Shape, you can talk about something that is flat or something that is cube shape or circular shape or sphere shape. That list can go on, as can all of these or majority of these descriptors. Alright, taste, that's one that you guys like. If Miss Spanner, I tell you that you can taste something, you can describe it as salty, sour, sweet, or bitter. And weight. Alright, there's a reason why I saved mass and weight for last. Mass and weight, people get confused on. But remember, weight equals scale. So when you're talking about the weight of something, you are using a scale to find the weight. Just like when you step on the scale at a doctor's office, they are measuring your weight. Alright, mass is our last one, and our last descriptor up here is going to be balance. Now, it may be a traditional balance, or it may be a triple beam balance. Alright, those are your notes for the week. Please make sure that you have these written down in your notebook and or on a piece of paper and get them glued into your notebook. Work hard, be nice, and we will see you in class.